Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Welcome to the Edgewater tonight. How you doing out there? You alright? Wow. As introduced, our team is called Orama. We've been around for over 28 years to tell our story. The preservation of our cultural heritage through dance, our language, our songs, our stories, our legends, customs and traditions. Tonight we share with you a very small part of this through our performance tonight, beginning with an opening number called Aere Aere Mai. Welcome, welcome. Koto e te o manuiri, you visitors to the Cook Islands of Rarotonga, guests here at the Edgewater tonight. We welcome you, we honor you, we accord you the traditional welcoming challenge, the tuoro, kia rana, and welcome. Welcome visitors, welcome. Welcome to this place of dance. Tonight we dance, we enjoy. Japanese drum dance that incorporates chanting, singing. We bring you this number from the island of Puka Puka out in the northwest of the Cook Islands, in the outer islands. Who's been to the outer islands, you visitors out here tonight? Who's been to the outer islands? Any of you? Oh, nobody. All of you need to go home and sack your travel agents or Google a lot more. If you did, you will find there's other islands out there. It's not just Rarotonga. We have the southern group islands. Rarotonga is the main island of the Cook Islands. But also we have our northern half. They are 4 or 5 days away from Rarotonga by ship, by boat. About 5 to 6 hours by plane. You might as well fly all the way back to New Zealand. Anyway, on the far northwest is the island of Puka Puka. We bring you the style of Puka Puka, just to give you an idea that exists, the difference that exists between Rarotonga, the big smoke of Rarotonga, and our outer islands out there. They love their chants, the mako, the tila, the haka, their subtle action.